we're going to show how to use Voodoo Gel Stain to create a more intense color and depth for this look. Here is just using the silk paint. And here's what happens when we added Voodoo Gel Stain. The color is more intense and bright around the edges compared to this. I'm going to start by adding Easy Peasy spray wax to where I want to apply the Voodoo Gel Stain. I'm then going to use a little artist brush, and I'm using the Voodoo Gel Stain in Denim. This is a water-based gel stain. Just going to get a little bit on my artist brush. I'm just going to continue to go down the sides. The Easy Peasy spray wax gives me the ability to kind of move this more. And gives a nice intense color pop line. And then I will add the gilding wax bronze in the lines as well to give it a little bit more dirt and grit. But I find that adding the Voodoo Gel Stain, either before or after, either one, really lends to an intense amount of dimension and depth that you can't get with just adding the Grunge gilding wax. See the difference in the details? It really cleans up those edges. When you've sprayed with the Easy Peasy spray wax first, it gives you the ability to wipe back any areas that you accidentally hit. Super cool, right? I already did this to the sides of these pillars to give that dimension as well, and I even did it down here. Hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try.